All right, y'all, here I'm in my truck, going down my driveway, and I thought I'd go ahead and use this new Insta360 Go3, see what it's like, since it is so small after all. And I'm just gonna bring it with me today, because I'm going to shoot what's supposedly a big, nice house photo video drone, so thought it might be fun to bring you along on the ride. Let's go ahead and drive on out. All right, we're here and I see a bunch of random cars pulling up, so I guess that means it's time to go to work. Time to turn on this playlist and get to work.
Taking pictures for Amanda.
I am taking pictures for, I think so.
Amanda.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you get 2512 or 2412?
I've got 2512.
Okay, that's cool. And there's only a 25.
I was about to say, as far as I know, it's that guy right in front of me.
Yeah, she sent me a text and she said 2412, and I'm like, there's not a 20.
Oh yeah, I think it's this one right here.
Oh, all right, good. I'm gonna put the sign on.
All right, man. Y'all ready for me?
Yes.
All right. Do you know if Amber's coming this way?
We have no idea.
Okay.
You know? We
Uh,
just got told y'all guys are coming. That's like all we got.
Y'all just got told that we were coming?
Yeah. we just
Oh. Okay. Well, is there anywhere in particular y'all would prefer me to start?
I mean, they didn't tell us anything. They just told us that y'all were coming.
Okay, you know what? I'll put my gear right over here, and before I do anything, I'll just meander around and check it out for a moment, see if there's anything I think.
All right, sounds good.
By the way, my name's Jeremy.
Okay, hi.
Hi. All right. So. All right. Go. All right, well, we made it through the whole house. Time to go start taking pictures. All right, y'all, here we go. I'll put on the hat so you can get a better view of video.
Drone time!
right, y'all, that's a very condensed version of the 2.5 hours I spent on site today between the photo, video, and drone work. Plus the walkthrough when I got there to tighten up all the loose ends like the blinds and toilet seats, which you saw some of. I left in 2 of the conversations with other contractors hired out by the agent, but I left out the long 15-minute conversation with the agent in the middle of me photographing the property. I wanted to leave at least some of that in there to give an accurate representation of what a day is like, full of interruptions while you're concentrating on creating, or at least trying to. And a huge shout out to Insta360 because I've actually tried to make this video before, but I had a whole lot of issues trying to operate 2 full-size cameras at the same time with people around and setting everything up. This super small camera, it's magnetic, it has a ton of attachments, it weighs absolutely nothing, so it can fit absolutely everywhere. No, obviously it's not the same quality as my full frame video rig I'm recording this with, but that's not what it's made for. Unique angles and clips of footage you would have never gotten because you're not carrying around your huge camera. I've actually been using it to make social media clips for other companies, and if you check out my shorts, you can see a version I did for Jingle in July fundraiser event, completely shot on this little camera. All of it. You know the spiel, check out my art down below from my award-winning bodyscapes to the digital stuff or the props I paint. Use my affiliate links from down below, especially if you're shopping from Amazon. Even if you're not buying what the link sends you to, Bezos will still pay me for sending you to the site. So help me to help you by not paying me anything, and somehow I still make money. Keep rocking and rolling, enjoy what you're doing, make smart business decisions, and let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions about how my day went, anything I might have left out, and how accurate is that to your usual day on site as a creative. I will catch you next time. Boom!